What's up, everybody? We are multi-dimensional right now, and in this video I'll be showing you step by step how to remove a 5-year-old lien on your Florida vehicle title. I was quoted between $400 and $600 from title service companies to do these series of tasks. When I went ahead and did my research, and this is what I dug up. So my story is, I bought this 2009 Mitsubishi Lancer from a friend who didn't have time to take care of it, let alone track down the title. The DMV would not issue me a title. If you purchased a car with a lien, you need to have the owner fill out a vehicle power of attorney granting you rights over the vehicle. The DMV said the lien holder would have to release the lien. This is not legal advice. This video is for educational purposes only. The first step I took was I Googled Florida Vehicle Information Check and placed the vehicle identification number, also known as the VIN number, in the box and filled out the CAPTCHA and hit search. This brought up my Mitsubishi's color, make, and model, and at the bottom it gave me the lien holder information. The lien holder, in my case, had the rights over the title, and this is who I needed to contact in order to release the lien. The entity name and address are the information you need in order to get this process going. With my Mitsubishi, the lien was over 5 years old. The second step I did was to read the statutes governing motor vehicles and came across the Title 24, Chapter 319.241. I read this carefully and knew exactly what I needed to do. I got 2 mailing envelopes and a stamp. I got a certified mail receipt with the return receipt requested. I placed the address of the lien holder and their name on one envelope with the certified mail receipt where it says sent to, and the return receipt requested where it says article addressed to. You can find these 2 forms at any United States post office. I then placed my name and address on the second envelope and the return receipt box where it says send. Please print your name, address, and zip +4 in this box. The third step I took in order to get the lien removed from my Mitsubishi is I wrote up a letter starting with my name, address, date, the vehicle's VIN number, make and model, and color, and their name and address. I wrote in the letter that the vehicle has been transferred to me via power of attorney and bill of sale. I am applying to the department in writing for such lien to be removed from the department files or from the certificate of title. I am also including a self-addressed letter with the lien satisfaction form 82260. I am including copies of the bill of sale and vehicle power of attorney. The fourth step I took was I opened the envelope addressed to the lien holder and placed a copy of my driver's license, a copy of the seller's driver's license, a copy of the power of attorney, a copy of the bill of sale, the self-addressed letter folded up with a stamp, the lien satisfaction form, and the letter I had written up with the specific language and information on it. The fifth step I took is I went down to the post office and paid for the mailing fees and sent off the letter. I made sure to keep the certified mail receipt with the timestamp in a safe place. I tracked the letter where it went. In my case, the letter was rejected. I received the letter back. It was unopened. I did not open the letter and kept it sealed. If they keep the letter, wait 10 days after they receive the letter before going to the DMV via the tracking number. The sixth step I took was I went down to the DMV and presented the evidence. I had all of my documents in a blue folder along with the unopened envelope and certified mail receipt timestamp. I explained to the clerk that I needed to transfer a title and that there is a lien on the vehicle. I then explained I had reached out to the lien holder and they did not respond and rejected my letter. The lien is 5 years old and I have power of attorney over the vehicle. They examined all of my documents and procedures. They said you did a very good job and asked if anyone had helped me, such as an attorney, and I said no, I did this all myself. Seventh step I took was to pay for the paper title and go about my business. Also, this may not work for everyone's situation with their title. This is definitely one step to take in order to get the title, and if it doesn't go through, there may be other options. In my case, the lien holder was no longer in business. If there is money owed on the vehicle, this may ultimately have to be paid off before the lien is released after 5 years. If there is money owed on the vehicle and they don't respond to the letter, it means they forfeit the title. I am Tangible Thomas, and that's all the time I have for you today. Thanks for being here, and see you on the next one.